student, this is the question GATE 2003, 2 marks. He is asking about, we want to synchronize two concurrent process P and Q using binary semaphore S and T, and code are given below. Which synchronization statement can be inserted at point W, X, Y and Z? Question number 1, this is a common question. Question number 13 and 14. First we discuss about the 13. Which of the following will always lead output string 0011 0011 00 in such a way? That is nothing, it's just like a case of strict alteration. First P is execute, then Q, then P, then Q, P, Q, and these are the options. First option A, when we choose play PS at W, VS, PT and VT, S and T initially 1. So my dear student, these two options are never being in the part of answer. Why? Because when S or T both are 1, then what will happen? 1 to 0, 1 to 0, then process P and Q both are enter simultaneously into the system, and it will print either this way also. This way also. I am not denying ki 0011 or 1100, but that is not guarantee, because we allow both process to enter. Getting my point? So whenever S and T both are 1, then we are getting the such type of output also. So option A and C are not acceptable. Then we'll check option D, A and C are not. PS at W, VT at X, PT at Y and VT, here is S, not T. So S is 1 and T equal to 0. What will happen? This is 0 to block and this is 1 to 0, print 0 0. After completion it gives the signal to S. So again S1, then print 0 0, again 0 0, then 0 0 0 0. That option D leads to the starvation. Option D leads to the starvation. Now we'll check the option. This not, this not, this not. PS at W, VT at X, PT at Y, VS at Z. S is 1, T is 0. When T is 0, then 0 to block, this 1 to 0, what is print? 0 0. After that it gives signal to Q, it will give signal to Q, then this unblock and print 1 1. After that this given signal to S, because here it is VS, there is VT. So when it gives the signal to S, then process P continue the execution, print 0 0. After that it will give signal to T, then Y is execute, print 1 1, then again 0 0 1 1. So we are getting such type of pattern. That is nothing, it's a strict alteration. So option B is the right answer. So to get the expected output, the sequence of process is P Q P Q P Q, and we must initialize S equal to 1 and T equal to 0. So option A and C don't have S1 and T1. So this is clearly wrong. In option D, S1 and T0, but option D 0 0 0 0 0 0 printed, that is nothing, starvation. And in option B, S1 and T0 and case of strict alternation, print 0 0 1 1. So B is the right answer. Getting my point? Clear? Thank you. And this is the next question of same. Two concurrent process, which of the output string form 0 1 to की power n 0 or 1 0 की power n 0? Getting my point? Where n is odd, means 010 और 101. Getting my point? Never contain. इस टाइप की स्ट्रिंग नहीं आनी चाहिए. So we'll take the option A, PS at W, VS at X, PT at Y and VT at Z. What will happen? First are printing, all are 1 to 0, both are initialized to 1. So 1 to 0, 1 to 0, so it prints something like this one also, form a substring. So this is not. Then we'll take the another option, because it is clearly mentioned never contain a substring in this form. Next, PS at W, VT at X, PT at Y, VS at Z. Here VS at Z, S and T equal to 1, then again 1 to 0 and 1 to 0, so it make this way also, and this is the substring that is not allowed. So this one is also wrong. Now we'll check option D first. VS, VT at X, PS and VT. So here that is 1 to 0, print 1 1, and this is also successful. So what will happen in this case? 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1, all these cases are also occur. So this is a substring which is occur, so that's why we don't take. Getting my point? And when we take this one, PS at W, VS at X, PS at Y, VS at Z. Here S is initially 1. Clear? Now in this C is the answer. Why I direct say C is the answer? Because here you can see, here we are using only one semaphore, that is S. If P is performing down, then print 0 0. Yeah, if Q is performing down first, then it print 1 1. After the signal, what happen? If P is performing, so there are two options, either P remain continue or either Q continue. So if P remain continue, then 0 0. If Q continue, to 1 1. Or if first Q execute, then 1 1. It give the signal to S. Then two possibility: first Q itself continue, yeah, P continue. If Q itself continue, that it is 1 1, and if P continue, that is 0 0. So in this possibility, you cannot see a substring of like this 1 0 1, yeah, 0 1 0. So C is the answer, because C never form a substring that contain in the form of 0 1 की power n 0 or 1 0 की power n 1, where n is odd. Getting my point? So C is the answer. Here you can see output string never contains substring 0 1 की power 0, 1 0 की power n is odd. So S is 1. So first 0 0 print, either 1 1 print. After 0 0, it will either print 0 0 or 1 1. After 1 1, it will print either 1 1 or 0 0. So never contain a substring in this way. Getting my point? So C is the right answer. Clear? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.